So I am in the middle of a break between, beauty services. I like to let my hair and my nails breathe after multiple times of putting stuff back on. So what I basically am doing here is getting ready. So I split my hair to the side I want to have it. I like side splits for synthetic lace fronts. It just looks more natural. So now we're gonna put this on here. And then I'm going to take my wig band and strap it on. So now I have this duckbill thing going on. Trying to get them as pressed back as possible.
Here I've gone ahead and applied my foundation shade to my lips, and I've gone over it with Bayer from Mud, which is Makeup Designery. They're based out of New York City, and we carry these at Vanity. Here you see me using Vanity's eyebrow gel, which I love because it lasts 24 hours, and I'm using it to slick my eyebrow hairs up for a fluffier look on my brow. And now I've got on the eyeshadow.
Most entrepreneurs that I work with are not actually afraid of failure. The crazy thing is that they're afraid of success. I realize that they really want to do something, but they're so concerned with what's really going to happen when they get to that next level. To whom much is given, much is required. And so when they are expecting that they have to do more, it gets nerve-wracking. Do it anyway.
Hi, I'm Crystal Carmen. Thanks for watching. I'm the owner of Vanity Image Studio in Media PA and BeautyandTheGeek.co.